Tinatayang mga higit 50 katao po ang pumunta po dito sa SUR. Actually 41 yung galing sa headquarters. And then plus yung mga taga mismong taga Sinai chapter po ang tumulong po sa pagkakaroon ng shoreline clean up drive dito po sa lugar kung saan meron pong natatanging resort. Hindi na namin i-mention kung kaninong resort, basta ang kagandahan dito ay volunteer po ng Kabalikat Net International Association po, mga katropa po ng Kabalikat ang pumunta po dito sa shoreline para linisin, tanggalin yung mga di kaya-ayang nandito at may mga nalilikong po tayong plastic. Since this, naman po siya, napakalayo naman po ang location sa mga residente, naisipan na lang po na sunugin yung mga pwedeng masunog para at least hindi na magbara. So yung mga, alam ko bawal po magsunog pero mas maganda po na ganun kaysa mananatili po siya matagal dito sa shoreline. Plastic at saka mga sanga-sanga na may tinik, yun po yung mga nakukuha po ng mga katropa. Ayan po. So maraming salamat po mga national officers po ng Kabalikat Net International na walang kabog-abog ay pumunta po dito sa SUR, Ilocos Sur para po sabayan ang mga officers para mag-clean up drive. At bukas po ay ito po yung hudyat sa pagkakaroon po ng anniversary sa Norte. So dumaan muna sila sa SUR para gawin itong clean up drive dito po sa shoreline po ng Ilocos Sur sa Sinai. Ang kagandahan lang po kasi dito, wala naman po nag-utos sa amin kung sino naman. Ang sa amin lang, bukal sa loob po namin na gawin ang clean up drive para lang naman po maipakita namin sa inyo kung ano pa ba ang pwedeng gawin ng Kabalikat mula Region 1 at buong Pilipinas. So thank you so much guys. Sana po mas marami pa po tayong mga volunteers dito sa SUR at asahan nyo po ang ating national. Actually ito, pinamunuan po ito ng ating founding chairman, national president si Tatay Owan, Haji Ibn A. Barakan, kasama po si Nanay Owan at ang mga delegado po ng national. So nandito po lahat, mga 41 po yan, lahat galing national po yan. Plus ito po mga kasama natin na taga Ilocos Sur. At bukas po ang tabayanan po ang main event doon po sa Ilocos Norte kung saan mangyayari po ang ika-6th year anniversary ng Kabalikat Net International dito po sa Ilocos, doon po sa Ilocos Norte chapter. And thank you so much guys, and enjoy the rest of the day and have a good one. Bye-bye!
Responsibilidad namin, aming kakayanin, ang ating samahan. Malaya Philippines. Kabalikat net, Malaya Philippines. Responsibilidad namin, aming kakayanin, ang ating samahan, lagi nating pagtibayin. Ganyan ang kabalikat net, Malaya Philippines.
Disclaimer lang po sa mga nanonood ng ating video. Naisipan po ng mga tropa na sunugin na lang po talaga itong naipon naming basura kasi kasama dyan yung mga sanga-sanga na may mga tinik at hindi po siya pwedeng ilibing kasi baka yung mga maliligo sa beach ay masugatan. Kaya naisipan po ng tropa na sunugin na lang. Kakunti lang naman mga plastic na nakuha namin po. Mas marami po dyan ang mga sanga na may tinik. Gawa po yan doon sa mga puno, mga halaman na may mga tinik sa gilid. And yan po yung risky dyan kasi siyempre mag-i-enjoy ka sa beach tapos masugatan ka. So, yan. Kaya nga po, pasensya na po na nagsunog kami dyan. Pero gusto lang namin paalam sa inyo na malayo naman po yan sa mga residential area. Hindi po yan sira po. Yun, at congratulate din po namin yung aming yung presence ng aming founding chairman dyan, si Tatay Haji Ibne Ibarakan na nag-supervise. Kasama po dyan ang mga national officers mula headquarters dito po sa Las Piñas City. At may mga Region 4A officers and members din pong kasama tayo dyan na sumama sa clean up drive dito po sa Kabangtalan Beach, Sinaid, Ilocos Sur. At isa sa mga nag-guide sa amin dyan, walang iba kundi ang kabalikat Governor Ilocos Sur na si Sir Charlie Vergara.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health
this confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up